How to download Facebook video on iPhone or Android devices. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to download Facebook videos on iPhone or Android devices. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So either that's funny video or inspiring or an useful video, downloading Facebook video is quite easy and simple. Simply launch your Facebook application on your device. Ensure to sign into your account. Once you land on the section, you need to tap on this videos icon at top left corner of the screen and get access to the video part. So suppose if this is the video that I want to download on Facebook, then you need to tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here a menu box appear where you can easily see different options to share it with your friends and family. So tap on copy link button. And once you have copied the link of this Facebook video, you need to exit from Facebook and open any web browser on your device. Maybe that's Chrome or Safari. And there you can easily type in the URL snapsave.app, and on that website you can easily paste the URL and tap download button to download Facebook video on iPhone or Android. So unfortunately there is no direct way to download your Facebook videos directly from Facebook. Either you can screenshot record that particular video, or else you can use the third party app as well. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.